So this is the one of the Chinese quads I got. A little bit bigger than the other one. This one needs a lot more to get it running, a lot more stuff. But I'm gonna use the rear end from this. It's the wider of the two. A little wider. Disc brakes, everything's still there. And I'm gonna put that onto this. This is 8.5. And this one over here, from here to there, is just about 8 inches. So I think with some washers, probably work. We're gonna find out. If you ever have a stubborn tie rod that never wants to come out, let's see. Ready? Here, let's see. It's just spinning. Put vice grips on it. Like that.